what's up? So today I'm gonna show you how to remove a gas cooktop. So this is a gas cooktop with a downdraft ventilation. So very, pretty simple, quick. Let's do it. So gas cooktop, downdraft ventilation. That's what we're doing. Our first step is going to be clear it out in here if you want. I'm lazy, I'm going to try not to. But our first step is going to be turn off the gas. Parallel to the pipe is on. Perpendicular is off. Next thing will be unplug your power. Power unplugged. Then we'll get rid of any crates or, this is old and janky so I don't have any caps, but we will remove all of these. Anything that comes off, easily get it up. So for me, for a downdraft, it's usually a little bit heavier, has a little bit more muscle in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off some other parts here. Slide my whole burner sections off in here. Lift up from the front, because they're gonna be plugged in back here where your gas is. Nextly, we're going to remove the pipe here connecting to our gas. You could do it up here, we could do it down here. I'm going to try to do it down here. So we'll take our wrenches, see if this dude's big enough. We're going to take one wrench around the hose, the flexible hose pipe, and another one around our house gas pipe. Hold the house gas pipe tight and then turn the other one. Just a quick turn, off it goes. Our gas is disconnected, our power is disconnected. The only thing else keeping us in here is our downdraft. So how do I get my downdraft off? We have this tape that's connecting all of these off. So I have a little piece of tape that I'm already kind of peeling off. And we're going to see if that frees us up. And what we're going to see as we peel off some of this tape is that we have, it is held in here with a couple of little screws. So we're going to whip these babies out. So we got our little screws out. Now I'm going to inspect, see if anything else is holding us in here. I have another little screw right here. So you may have them on both sides, you may have them all around, you may have them on one side. This should be the last screw that is holding my ductwork in here. Alright, so underneath here, we're all freed up except for we did find some little clips. Minor little screws on either side. So we will unscrew that, it'll slide out from the slot. And let's see, I got one right here too. Alright, so we got all the screws off the downdraft. We got the screws down, loosened up, unscrewed from what's holding us in here. So now all that's left is to yank this dude up. And find a good spot for it. We will be free. And that's the simple steps of how to get rid of a downdraft gas cooktop.